Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the question answers of this lesson. The name of the lesson is Neha's alarm clock. Let's begin our exercise. Pick the correct answer. First is, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? What was the time when Neha's clock rings? Was it 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock? What was the time? Correct, 6 o'clock. Second, what did the birds say? The birds that were sitting on her window sill, what were they saying? Sleep on, wake up, go and play. What were the birds saying? They were saying, wake up. And to whom? To Neha. Third is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? What is inside you? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. What wakes us on the same time every day? It is inbuilt body clock. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. Here, in these words, the letters are jumbled. You have to arrange the letters to make a meaningful word. The first is here done for you. The second is alarm. Third is clock. Next, morning, snored, window. These are the meaningful words. Let's listen and talk. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. Sounds you heard and sounds your friend heard. You have to write the sounds here and your friend sounds here. Second, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep? Or who will help you in waking up? Third is, what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? Now we can see time in mobile phones, even on the screen of our TV. But in old days, people estimated time looking at the sun. You also think different ways of knowing time. Here, a word puzzle is given. You have to find the hidden words: mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. Mother word is given here. Hungry is also done for you. Now you have to find the other words. Let's write who said these words and to whom. Here some sentences are given from the lesson. If you have read the lesson, then you can tell easily. Wake up, dear. Wake up fast. Who said this sentence? The birds. And to whom? To Neha. Second, Ma, who woke me up today? Who asked? That was Neha. And to whom? To her mother. Third sentence is, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Who said this sentence? You have to write here who said this sentence and to whom. Second, Use the help box to fill in the blanks. In the help box, here are two words, watch and were. If the subject is singular, then watch, and if the subject is plural, then we use were. Ram dash a good football player. Ram is singular, so what comes here? Was. Ram was a good football player. The cows dash grazing in the field. Cows, cows are plural. So what will come here? Were. The cows were grazing in the field. Now you have to complete these sentences using was and were. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. Here one story is given. You have to look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked dash at door. What the girl is doing here in the picture? She is looking behind the door. I looked behind a door. I looked dash a cupboard. Where the girl is looking now? The girl is looking inside a cupboard. I looked dash a bed. What she is doing here now? She is looking under a bed here. I could not find it anywhere. Then I dash Seru. Then I called out Seru. Seru is the name of her dog. Seru, my dog came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He dashed another book from my bag. What Seru is doing here? He is pulling out another book from the girl's bag. So he pulled out another book from my bag. Here is a word clock. Write down words relating to clock. Another word, sound, make a sentence, name different parts and times. Word in your own language and draw the picture. So I have done only one. Another word, that is watch. You have to write the sound of the clock, make a simple sentence on clock, name different parts, and what will you say clock in your own language, and draw a picture here. Like clock, the next word is given morning. Now write down words related to morning in these boxes.